Hey, good morning everybody. It's going to be a little backward today. I already took 3 trades. I just got a few minutes by myself here, so I'm gonna talk through the last trade. I was hoping this thing would end somewhere right here in a bullish so I can get in, but it's too high now. I don't think I want to go in right now where it is. But this is the last trade. It's about 2 minutes to noon right now, Pacific time. And you can see I took one here, and one over here. Much more disciplined. I did last one. We'll talk about that in a little bit, but right now I'm just waiting for a perfect opportunity to go in on that last trade for the day. Was really patient here, came down, saw it recheck right here, but this ball just shoot up way too high, shoot up against the daily high here, so I didn't want it to just tick up one and come back and kill me. So we're gonna wait. We still have a good hour, so I'm pretty sure something will come up. Yeah, so I'm really glad we didn't. See, it ticks up. We would enter right here, and it would that would form. I'm kind of liking what I'm seeing right now on the short side, though. Let's take a look at this here. It's too close to the EMA for my liking. It's been rejecting, so I'm not gonna go for it. It is a second entry short. First entry short is right here. There's the second, but let's wait for that. While we wait for a good entry, let me just save some time and just go over the trades here. Interesting. Somehow I didn't save my overnight low and overnight high. So overnight low is obviously right here, and overnight high is about right here. So you can see a steady uptrend. All my trend channel is gone as well. But so here's my first trade at about 7. Made a new high of day after a pullback at open, came back, new high of day, came back, first entry, ticks down, and then second entry. The reason I like this one is that this is even though it's a red bar, but it's pretty bullish, close about over 2/3 of the body. And since we have a double top right here, I'm willing to not take it right there because that's one tick above. I put it one tick above the double top to ensure that we don't just tick up there and hit that resistance and come back down. Obviously, regardless, it worked. Not a lot of big bars today, but anyway, so I went into this one here, sort of the same situation, but if you watch the the video where I showed this trade, I actually saw this here, and I actually saw this one right here, and I did put it, so it's just a trap, right? I thought it was a trap. So we made a new high, never really retested yet, right? We never really got back up there really. So what happened here is you got a first entry right here, and then a second entry. Oh, actually it's not a trap, it's just a standard second entry, so it should have been right here. But regardless, we would have lost. Okay. Yeah, so I guess that's on me. I thought somehow I saw a trap, but oh, it is a trap. So first entry short, second entry short right here, and then it ticks back up. So ticks back up above here. That's why I like it, because it's basically the next one to it. But I took a measure, so this is exactly 4. This is exactly 4 tick. We normally need 5 tick to ensure that we can exit, but sure enough, so it ticks back up and then trapped me and then came back down. Eventually the trade, I don't think the trade would work. Well, eventually it would work, but your stop will always have to be all the way down here. But yeah, that was not a good trade there. So I took that loss. Fortunately, it's a little bit over, let's see, I think it's about $125 or so. Okay, Then I took this one here, second entry, 1, 2, came down, make a double bottom. I didn't use this one because it closed below the EMA. I could have, right, because it's still pretty bullish, but I took the next one, and I'll show you the video in a little bit. Man, it literally hangs right here for the longest time, just playing with your emotion, and finally it picks up. But it, just imagine just sitting there waiting. It literally hit it like almost 10 times, and we just couldn't get out until like the 11th time or something. But anyway, that's the third trade. I believe right now we're down $24. So this last trade will pretty much make it or break the day. Yeah. So I see a trap right here, but I can't take any down. I can't take a short right now. It's just too risky. But you can see it ticks up right there. Well, it is the second entry. Second entry short is right here. Okay, so let's just wait for this last one. So here's a second entry coming up here. See if we can get a new high. If it's a bullish bar, I will go for it because of how strong this uptrend has been. This is the first time it breaks this channel. And then we got good resistance right there, these two. Good support, I mean. Got that right there too. Okay, so I think I'm gonna go in right here. My support line is holding. We have plenty of room to get up to the previous high. The only obstacle is the EMA, but we're in such an uptrend. I think we will try to make it up there. And it is a pretty solid second entry. Unless this thing closed really negative, so it has to close above. Yeah, looks like we really tried. Okay, so might be a trap coming to the short side. Okay, I'm gonna go for this short, this trap. First entry, second entry long. Right now, this is exactly what people are coming in right here. So we'll see there. Might be retesting this area right here. The risk is $75, so really $100, because we're gonna have to go above this one. Okay, so we got fill. Hopefully we don't get trapped. Oh, not liking the way this looks. Alright, let's just see how this plays out.
Stop filled. Order submitted. Order filled. Target filled. Order filled. Stop filled. Target filled.